Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Lenexa, local and long distance movers near me. Long distance moving is moving goods from one place to another. The two places are miles away from each other, and one has to cross state boundaries to be completely referred to as a long distance move. This takes quite some time as it involves long distances. Three Movers is offering long distance moving services. Having the best resources and highly skilled employees, we offer quality services to our valued customers. Local moving involves moving goods from one place to another within the same region. It can be within the same geographical location, and this is easy and simple to perform as it takes less time and effort. Three Movers is offering local moving services here in Lenexa at very affordable rates. Contact us to get experience of our great services. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Lenexa moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial, international, furniture, residential, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.